children, and a very good morning to all of you. I hope children you are doing your revisions daily. Today we have combined the day 8 and day 9 together. So we are going to do day 8 and 9 together. So when you open up your book and come here on day 8, we are going to learn a 2-letter sight word, that is B. So how will we write B? That is standing line, half curve, and then E. Now, as I always say, this is a word, so you have to write the 2 letters close to each other. So here you have to press and write the 2-letter word B-E-D. Now moving on to the another page, you have another new word, that is go. So how will we write go? It is G-O, go. G-O, go. Now moving on to the next page, what you have to do, you have to write S for the summer season, W for the winter season, and R for the rainy season for the given picture below. So now you can see all the different pictures, and now you have to see that when are these things used, that is which season are they used. So first you can see is a picture of a cold drink. Now when do anyone drink cold drink? Cold drink is used during the summer season when it is really very hot. We drink something that is cold. So we have written the letter S. Then the gumboots. Gumboots are we wear gumboots during the rainy season. Gumboots are used during the rainy season. Then is a cup of tea. So it is something that is hot. So when we like to drink something hot, that is during the winter season. जब बहुत ठंडी पड़ती है तो we like to have something that is hot. So we have to write the letter W for the winter season. Then is the umbrella. Umbrella is used during the rainy season. Umbrella हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब बारिश आती है तो बारिश से बचने के लिए we use the umbrella. So it is used during the rainy season. Then is the hat. So hat is also used to just protect ourselves from the heat. So it is used during the summer season. So we'll write the letter S. Then ice cream. One like to eat ice cream during the summer season. So to just get away from the heat. So the next is the picture of a sweater. So sweater is used during the winter season when it is really cold and we want to protect ourselves from the cold. We wear the sweater. And then is the raincoat. The name itself suggests that it is worn during the rainy season. We wear the raincoat during the rainy season. So we written the letter R. Now turning on to the another page, you are having the practice worksheet of maths of writing the number 4141 and 4242. So it is only a practice worksheet page, and I hope children you are also doing your maths oral drill of numbers. You have to do the oral drill from 1 to 100. आपने 1 से 100 तक आपने बोलना है orally numbers. Now moving on to the next page, you have 2-letter word again, that is BY. That is BY. So you have to trace and write the letter by. Moving on to the next is the word my. We have a new word, that is my. So that is M-Y, my. And as I have told you before, you use my for yourself. हम अब खुद की बात करते हैं, we use my name is, my book, this is my book, or my school name is. So you have to press and write the word my. Now moving on to the next page, we are having the new number notation, that is of number 10. अभी हम last number name सीख रहे हैं, वो है TEN 10. So when you write in your book, you have to write first 1010 and then write TEN. So on this page you have to write the number notation of 10. Now moving on to the another page, we are just going to do the before and after revision. हमने before and after पहले ही सीखा है, and now we are going to do the revision. Here you are given the between number. आपको उसका before number भी बताना है and after number भी बताना है. So what is this? First you have to see, look at the number. So it is 8. So what will come before 8? So before 8 will come 7. So 7, 8. So what will be the next number? After number क्या होगा? 8 के बाद 9. So now the next is the number 5. So what will be the before number? The before number will be 4. So 4, 5. So the after number क्या होगा? 5 के after what will be after 5? It will be 6. Then 7. So what will be the before number? 6. After number will be 8. You can also do one thing, that you can check it out, that either the number and in the line that is 6, 7, 8. So it is right. Here 4, 5, 6. So it is correct. Now 4. So what will be the 4 number? It will be 3. And the after number will be 5. Now 9. So what will be the before number? The before number will be 8 and the after number will be 10. 12. So before will come 1, 1, 11 and after will come 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. So what will be the before number? It will be 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14 and then will come 1, 5, 15. So now it is 1. So what will be before 1? Before 1 comes 0. So 0, 1 and what will be here? 2. 6. So what will be the before number? Will be 5, 6 and the next number will be 7. 2. So before will be 1 and after will be 3. 3. So the before number is 2 and the after number is 4. 1, 0, 10. So the before number is 9. 1, 0, 10 and will come 1, 1. 11. So in 1, 3, 13. So what will be before number? 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13 and the after number will be 1, 4, 14. 1, 1, 11. So before number is 10. 1, 1, 11 and the after number is 12. So children, I hope you are also practicing your rhyme, that is in Hindi and in English. And we are all doing your revisions daily. So that is all. Bye bye and have a nice day.